The ongoing saga of the market that only wants to go up. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Monday, April the 5th, and my goodness gracious, another market explosion to the upside. It's unbelievable, and of course we'll discuss it all. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at the CTG Group, our brokerage partners. Now, we do have other brokers to always give you full disclosure, but for our letter of direction trading and for our members, we prefer CTG because they are the only ones authorized to use the letter of direction. But they also have some great products, great customer service, some new managed futures products, and they trade all my accounts. So what could be bad with that? In the meantime, we have markets that are exploding higher. Dow at new highs, S&P at new highs. The Russell's actually struggling at the moment, and actually looks like it's just about ready to turn negative for the day after being up almost 400 overnight. But remember, a lot of this action is a carry through from Friday. Although the markets were technically closed, we had the jobs number, which was an explosion on Friday. And this is a carry because that's what happens. They put the two days together. But the bottom line is still the Russell looks like it's getting ready to turn negative. While the S&P is up 40, the Nasdaq's up 165, and the Dow is up almost 300. Look, we're long everything but the Russell, and the Russell at this level probably won't switch today, but we'll see. We don't know where the ending's going to be, and I have no idea where the close of this market will be. But we do know that the path of least resistance remains higher. Metals are mixed, near the flat line, but as I said, look, the trend has not changed. We are still short, and we had a little bit of a rally last week, but actually, if you look at it, they were actually still down for the week. Oil is under pressure, down about $1.50, and of course we're short oil and looking for it to go lower. The grain markets, we'll do the grains. Now, what the hell? We're here. The grain markets are higher across the board and taking off nicely at the moment, with beans up 14 cents, wheat up 9, and corn up a couple. But as we look at natural gas, which we are long, it's slightly lower. Copper, which we had that quick one-day reversal, we're long again, is exploding higher. Up about almost a penny. So it's a market that is totally out of its mind, but it doesn't matter. Remember, it doesn't matter why or where. It only matters what. And, the bonds and notes are lower. We're still short. The dollar is lower and we're long. But, this is we're now seeing the runaway from fear again. Now the world is fine. We have free money, but remember, the free money is not free. We're going to be paying tax on that forever. So, but it is the stimulus because, of course, the big money can get lots of benefit out of what's going on. And meats are higher across the board with fats and feeders. Feeders are up over $2. Fats are up over $1, and hogs are up almost $1. And the softs, as we're short them all. And they're all higher, with the exception of OJ at the last I looked. Now, I don't watch those that often because I'm not changing anyways. So remember that, again, we're not intraday traders. We're long-term trend traders. And our positions to the last days, weeks, or months. So we'll see what happens from here. It's a market that is totally in wacko land of lunacy. And we'll see. Hey, like I said, we're going to enjoy the ride while it's here, and when it changes, we'll be ready. In the meantime, don't forget about our other partners, our other brokerage partner, which is Tradier. And Tradier is, again, a spectacular broker, great customer service. We do have other equity brokers as well. But for $10 a month, how can you pass that deal up, number one? Number two, they've got great customer service. And number three, we've got their API. So if you choose to want to automate and have your trading done for you on our systems, you can. That is entirely up to you. There is no requirement. It is part of your membership. And if you want to be a part of it, great. If not, hey, that is, again, up to you. And our friends at Family Farms, our new partners, look, our goal is to help farmers protect. Okay. Farmers are professionals at what they do, which is taking care of the farm. We're professionals at helping them manage their money and want to make sure that we help them lock in profits and also can absorb wild markets when they come. And the commodity report written by Andy Hecht is we have just finished the quarterlies and they are spectacular. It's called Technomental. Go check it out at BUBBATrading.com. And our high school program, which we hope to get back in business again. And I mean, it's not a business, something we donate, but hopefully we'll be back in school next year, in the fall. So hopefully we'll get this done. If you want to help us out, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. And of course, tonight, the big the college championship game. And of course, we like the Zags, Gonzaga. And we will lay the 4.5 for a small amount, and we will take the money line for a bigger amount because we don't want to get caught up in the point spread. We want to make sure we cash the ticket if we are right. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.